Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
I found my new favorite dress. This dress is just right. I love the blue and the white and the pop of sunflower yellow. The pattern is just lovely and it's so nice and light, but not see-through. I'm very happy with this. It has a wonderful fit and the body is not too tight. The design is beautiful and vibrant. I'm in love with the cute flutter sleeves, and when I wear it, it just makes me want to twirl and dance around. The pattern is just adorable. It's great quality and also fits just as I expected. This dress is very well made and I love the stitching. It feels so comfortable and I can completely relax when I wear it. I feel beautiful in this dress. It's light and airy and just really flattering on. The midi link is a perfect fit for me. I love the link to be able to really just be able to freely move about. It is a happy, gorgeous, fun print dress. I highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.